Hello everyone. In this session, we'll discuss about Hawthorne studies, which is an interesting topic under organizational behavior subject. So let us now see an introduction about Hawthorne studies. The study was carried out with the purpose to develop the human relationship movement in the business management. So the experiment was about measuring the impact of working conditions by the company itself, such as levels of lighting, payment systems, and hours of work on the output of the employees. So the main aim of the study purpose is to check how the working condition which are provided inside the organization is going to influence the output of the employees. So in order to check, they have carried out some 4 experiments, and the experiments are elimination experiment, relay assembly test room experiment, mass interviewing program, and bank wiring observation room experiments. In this video, I will discuss about first 2 experiments. The first experiment is elimination experiment. So the experiment is carried out to check whether the change in the lighting system is having any influence on the outcome of the employees or not. So in order to check, the entire working group inside the organization was divided into 2 groups. One is the experimental group and the other one is the control group. So the experimental group of employees were provided with periodical changes in the lighting system, where the constant good lighting system was provided to the control group employees. So in both the groups' performance have been compared, the productivity tends to increase. There is no fall in the productivity level. Unless and otherwise, both the groups are provided with a good lighting or minimal amount of lighting, the level of productivity remained the same. But when the level of lighting fall below the moonlight, the work performance of both the groups have decreased. So it shows that there may be a changes in the lighting system provided to the experimental group, but they also have given an equal productivity as compared to the control group. So from this we can conclude that the lighting system changes made are not going to influence the performance or the output or the productivity of the organization. Only the informal relationship between the group members or the reason for the increased productivity. So the next experiment is relay assembly test room experiment. So these experiment had been conducted in 3 phases. The first phase is first relay assembly test, and the second phase is second relay assembly group, and the third one is mica splitting group. So in order to conduct this experiment, initially an organization setup was made, and a test room was made in an organization. In that test room, around 6 female workers have been selected. The 6 female workers have been selected with respective of their past records, and they were put into that test room. And in order to supervise those 6 female workers, one observer have been appointed. So the test room setup is ready with 6 female workers and one observer. So in this experiment, changes are going to be done within 5 phases. In the first phase, changes have been done in the way of group incentive scheme. So group incentive scheme is provided to all those 6 female employees, where we can realize the increase in the productivity. So in the second change, the variation of rest have been done. So 2 5 minutes rest have been given, one in the morning and the other one in the evening. So and then the given 5 minutes rest also have been increased to 10 minutes. In this case also the productivity tends to increase. In change 3, free snacks and coffee were provided to the female workers. So there also the productivity remained the same and it tends to increase. Under the third phase, they in the second set of third phase, they have withdrawn the free snacks and coffee, and the rest period has been increased to 4 with 5 minutes each. So morning there will be 2 rest times, and the afternoon there will be 2 rest times. So here the productivity tends to decrease slightly. So this decrease in the productivity is not because of the withdrawal in the free snacks and coffee, but because of the increase in the rest time. So again the rest time has been decreased to 2 with 10 minutes each, morning one and the other one in the afternoon. So each rest time has been covering of 10 minutes and 10 minutes. So here free coffee and soup are also provided. Here now the productivity has now been increased to 30%. So in the fourth phase, the change was done by eliminating work in Saturdays and reduction of half an hour of working hours. Here also the productivity increased. Finally, in the fifth phase, the change was made by withdrawing all the benefits which were given in all those first 4 phases of changes. But anyways, the productivity remained the same and it tends to show an increasing pattern. So these are the variations done in the relay test room assembly experiment. Now we will see what are the outcomes of relay assembly test room experiment. Since the break time was, so we can see where the productivity actually started decreasing is when the rest time has been increased from 2 to 4. The female workers, those who were in the test, they actually complained that increase in the rest hour actually had a break in their workflow. So this actually disturbed their workflow. So the relationship between the supervisor and the workers become close and friendly. Productivity increased not because of positive changes in physical factors, but because of the changes in girls' attitudes towards work and their work group. So at the end of the experiment, even though they have withdrew all the benefits which were given earlier, but the productivity tends to remain the same. It is because of the nice and smooth bonding between the supervisor and the female workers, and also within the 6 female workers within themselves. So this actually influenced the great performance and a greater productivity towards the organization. So hope you have all understood about the 2 experiments and the Hawthorne studies. I will discuss about the another 2 experiments in the next upcoming videos. Thank you for your listening. Thank you so much.